Welcome to Tempcoder Tech. Backing up your system is crucial to avoid data loss. But with so many options out there, choosing the right backup tool can be overwhelming. Today, we're diving into MiniTool ShadowMaker, a powerful and user-friendly Windows backup solution. I'll walk you through the installation, show you how to create system and file backups, and demonstrate how easy it is to restore lost data. Let's get started. This is the home screen, where you get an overview of your backups, restore points, and upcoming scheduled backups. It's a clean and user-friendly interface, making it easy to manage everything at a glance. Under the Backup tab, you can choose between a system backup, default mode, and a file backup, where you can select specific folders and files. You can also back up entire user libraries like documents, downloads, music, and pictures. If you go under the computer option, you can select which disk you want to back up. Once you've chosen the disk, you can then pick specific folders to include in your backup. For a faster setup, you can use the Libraries option, which automatically selects the most common Windows default directories like documents, downloads, music, pictures, and videos. This is great for quickly backing up personal files without searching for them manually. This makes it easy and efficient to back up your most important files in just a few clicks. Once you've selected what to back up, you can customize backup settings under the Options menu. For compression, you can choose medium, 50% compression, or high up to 70%, which reduces storage use but slightly increases backup time. And to automate everything, you can schedule backups on a daily, weekly, or custom basis. Perfect for sysadmins managing multiple machines. MiniTool ShadowMaker also has a file synchronization feature. Just like in the backup section, you have multiple options for selecting what to sync. Under Computer, you can select an entire disk or specific folders to sync between drives or network locations. You also have the Libraries option, which lets you quickly select Windows default folders like documents, downloads, music, pictures, and videos, making it easy to sync personal files across multiple locations. You can sync folders based on file time, size, or content. This is useful if you need real-time mirroring between drives or network shares. This feature is perfect for keeping an identical copy of important files, whether you're working between different computers or just need an extra layer of protection. Restoring files is just as simple as backing them up. Here, you can select which backup version you want to restore and choose specific files or folders. The Manage tab is where you control existing backups, adjust schedules, or change backup schemes. This menu can be found under the three dots. For example, you can switch to incremental backups, which only save changes and reduce storage space. And under Logs, you get a detailed history of your backups and errors, making troubleshooting easier. To quickly find issues, you can filter results by changing search by, for example, selecting Fail to instantly locate failed backups and identify what went wrong. MiniTool ShadowMaker also comes with several useful tools that go beyond just backups. One of these is Clone Disk, which allows you to clone your entire hard drive, perfect for upgrading to a new drive or creating an exact copy of your system. One standout feature is Media Builder. It lets you create a bootable USB drive to recover your system in case of failure. This is a must-have for IT professionals or anyone who needs a quick recovery option. Now, let's quickly install it on a virtual machine to see how easy it is. Before we install MiniTool ShadowMaker, let's first download the free trial version from their official website. Head over to the MiniTool website, and under the ShadowMaker section, you'll find the free trial download button. Click it to start downloading the setup file. Once the download is complete, let's move on to the installation. The installation is straightforward, just follow the setup wizard. Once installed, you can enter a license key for full access or continue using the 30-day free trial. The free trial gives you 30 days of full access to all features, allowing you to test system and file backups before deciding to upgrade. While the installation is running, let's talk about why having a solid backup strategy is important. Data loss can happen due to hardware failures, malware attacks, accidental deletions, or even failed system updates. Without a reliable backup solution, recovering lost data can be difficult or even impossible. That's where MiniTool ShadowMaker comes in. It provides automated backups, system restores, and even disk cloning, making it a great option for both individuals and businesses looking for reliable disaster recovery. Alright, now that we're inside the program, let's take a look at how to set up our first system backup. To create a full system backup, start by going to the Backup tab. By default, MiniTool ShadowMaker automatically selects your system drive, ensuring your entire operating system, settings, and files are backed up. Next, we need to choose a destination where the backup will be stored. You can save it to an external hard drive, network location, or another internal drive. For this backup, I'm choosing to store it on a network share. To do this, enter the path to the shared folder, followed by the username and password for authentication. This is useful for storing backups on a NAS or another computer on the network. Once that's set, the backup will be saved directly to the shared location, making it easily accessible across multiple devices. Once you've selected the destination, you can customize your backup further under Options. Here, you can configure compression levels, encryption, and even email notifications for backup status updates. Before starting the backup, you can also configure the backup scheme under Options. Here, you can choose between full, incremental, or differential backups. Incremental backups only save changes made since the last backup, reducing storage space and speeding up the process. This is useful if you want to keep multiple restore points without using too much storage. If you want your system to back up automatically, go to Schedule, where you can set it to run daily, weekly, or at custom intervals. Everything is set. Now, simply click Backup Now to start the process. MiniTool ShadowMaker will now create a complete system image, which you can use to restore your system in case of failure. This process might take some time, depending on the size of your drive. Once the backup is complete, we can check the Manage tab to verify its status and ensure everything went smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully created your first system backup. Now, let's test the restore process by recovering a folders and file backup of my temp directory. Earlier, I created a backup of this folder, which contains important files I want to protect. To demonstrate how the restore works, I'm going to delete the temp folder completely, so let's go ahead and remove it. Now that the folder is gone, let's restore it using MiniTool ShadowMaker. In the Restore tab, I can see all my backups. I'll select the most recent backup and choose Restore. Next, I can choose which files to restore. Since I want my entire temp directory back, I'll select the full folder. Now, I need to select the restore target. This is where the files will be placed. Since I want to restore temp to its original location, I'll choose C as the destination. Once I confirm, MiniTool ShadowMaker starts the restore process, and within seconds, my files are back. Let's check File Explorer, and there it is. My temp folder has been successfully restored with all its contents intact. This is why having a folders and file backup is so useful. It allows you to recover lost or deleted files instantly without any complicated steps. So, who is MiniTool ShadowMaker for? If you're a sysadmin, IT professional, or power user, the scheduling and restore features make it a great tool for workstations and servers. And for home users, it's an easy way to protect personal files, photos, and system backups. Now, let's go over the pros and considerations. Pros: fast and easy navigation. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it simple to access backup, restore, and management features quickly. Powerful backup and restore features, supports full system backups, file and folder backups, and disk cloning, plus a bootable recovery option for system failures. Incremental and scheduled backups, automate backups with daily, weekly, or custom schedules, and use incremental backups to save space by only storing changes. Detailed logs and help pages. The logs section makes troubleshooting easy by filtering backup errors, and the built-in help pages provide clear guidance on features. Considerations: it's a paid product, but considering the ease of use and features, it can be a worthwhile investment for those needing a reliable backup solution. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at two useful features: accessing the help page and how MiniTool ShadowMaker runs backups in the background without needing the main program open. If you ever need help or want to learn more about a specific feature, Just click the burger menu in the top right corner and select Help. This takes you directly to the MiniTool documentation, where you'll find clear explanations and troubleshooting guides. Now, let's check how MiniTool ShadowMaker runs backups even when the main program is closed. To do this, I'll open PowerShell and run. This command lists all services related to MiniTool ShadowMaker. As you can see, there are two services running in the background. MT Agent Service handles backup tasks and system interactions. MT Scheduler Service ensures scheduled backups run at the right time. This means you don't need to keep the program open. Your backups will still run as scheduled, making it a lightweight and efficient solution. And that's it for this bonus section. Now you know where to find help and how MiniTool ShadowMaker keeps your backups running automatically in the background. That wraps up my review of MiniTool ShadowMaker. If you want to try it, check the link in the description. And if you found this useful, like and subscribe for more tech videos. See you in the next one.